Hey guys, Andrew Steinmetz, QA/QC manager with Jenco Inc. Trying a little something new today to make a video for you on how I make these videos. Hopefully this helps you guys in the office to understand how to record them, edit them, and then ultimately post them to YouTube. I'll show you a few of the easy features to do, and then I'll also show you some of the features that I've done lately or programs that I've gotten lately to improve my videos. I'm still learning myself, so a lot of these programs I'm getting to know and understand, and you'll see the progression in my videos that I'm slowly making them better and better. Ultimately, nothing really helps me but practice on making these and make them sound better. And so hopefully eventually I'll sound like a pro when I make these, but to get where I'm at right now, I'm just going to show you what I've done in the past and how I've made these so you guys have a better understanding. So the first thing you want to do is go to Vimeo.com. This was the first program I started with making these videos. Vimeo.com is free. So once you go here, you're going to want to sign up for a free account. There are some limitations to this free account. You can only make about 10 videos a month. There's a time limit of, overall time of videos that you can make per month, but it resets every month. The problem I ran into with it is that if you make mistakes, stop it, scratch it, whatever, that counts as a video you made. So I make a lot of mistakes. I went back, erased them, and it counted against me and I couldn't make another video. So you can pay to upgrade this program and get a lot more time, a lot more videos you can make. You can choose to go with a completely different program, but I'll just show you how to use this one. So once you sign up, you'll have this feature here, new video. And you can choose to upload videos you made on your phone or whatever device you have. So you don't have to record out of this program. You can take any video that you've made from your phone or whatever and upload it and edit it and add your face to it, whatever you want to do. But the one I use the most is record screen. So once you click on that, it will open this right here, and you can choose to record just your screen, just your camera, or both. And that's the one I use the most, is where I could show my screen and then also myself, and then you just hit start recording. It'll count down 3, 2, 1, and you just record. Once you stop it, it will automatically save it onto the Vimeo website, into not a viewable part of the website. So it's strictly for you, but it'll also record it and save it onto your computer itself. So once you have that video, you can make multiple videos and edit them together, do whatever you want. But once you have that, you can use software like I do, and it's called CyberLink Director Suite. And that is right here. So CyberLink is an awesome program. Very robust, lots of features you can add to your videos. You get a full display down here of all the scenes in your video, the audio, really cool. And that's how I produce some of those intros that you see on my latest videos, because it has a feature like that, and that is right here. So these are templates. So you can choose from these templates and create an intro, put in the writing you want and everything. And then so what's cool about that is you just drag and drop it down here and it'll add it right into the video itself. And then you hit produce, it'll save it. Once you have that saved, the next thing you're going to want to do is go to YouTube. So you sign into the Jenco YouTube page, and then you're going to hit create, upload video. You select a file, and let's just grab one of my videos. And we'll just grab, let's see, this one. So once you're on this screen, it is uploading the video. It will upload the standard definition first, and then eventually the high definition will show up on the page. Once it's done processing that, put in the title of your video, a short description if you'd like about the video. You can also add a thumbnail. So with a thumbnail, it's just a picture that shows up when people are scrolling through the channels and everything. And so you could pick, excuse me, any picture out of your pictures in your computer, anything you want. I make my own. I do that with a Cyberlink app that does photo editing. Here's one that you'll probably see for this video itself. I took a picture of myself, cut it all out, superimposed it on a picture right here, and then added the text, how to make Jenco YouTube videos. So really cool. You can see right here, you can cut those out. Really cool app. So this will just superimpose with just me on it on any picture that I want it to. This is another. So you get the Cyberlink Suite 365 is what I have, and it comes with about 4 or 5 different programs that you can edit audio, edit pictures, edit the videos, anything you want. And this is the program, and it also has a screen recorder that I really like, and that's what I use right now, and this is what I'm using as we speak. But it's great app. So I recommend this one highly, but it does cost. So if you want to stick with the free, that will work just fine. So once you go on here, we'll pull up YouTube again. So you drop your thumbnail there. See, it'll ask you to pick a picture out of here, and you go to your pictures. You can choose a picture. Boom, there it is. So when people are scrolling through different videos, this is what actually shows up. Next is a playlist. You can create your own playlist, a new playlist. So if you're making a bunch of videos about the same thing, you put them into a playlist. So if somebody wants to find out information on everything that you've made about a certain subject, then you create that playlist. I created one for QA/QC. There's one for electrical prefab, around Jenco, all that. So you would pick one. I pick QA/QC. No, it's not made for kids. That's what you want to do, just because if you put yes, it's made for kids, that's not asking whether it's adult content or not. But if you put that it's yes, it's made for kids, it will purely go to the YouTube Kids channel. So we don't want that. No, shouldn't be any age restrictions. Add subtitles, add an end screen, add cards, all that stuff. Just go next. And what it's going to do now is just check it for copyright infringement. So it's going through your video, seeing if you have music in the background or anything that would be a copyright infringement. Once it's completed there, see the countdown here. And it looks like I chose a very large video, because normally it doesn't take this long. So we'll just give it a second. We'll hit next. The only one you're going to want to choose is public. So private, obviously not. Unlisted, that just means that you can send the link to that video, and the people you send the link to are allowed to watch the video. But nobody from Jenco, if they were just going on the Jenco page, would see that on their own. So you don't want to do that. Don't worry about scheduling it. That's not important. And then you hit next. Public, publish, and I'm going to have Jen erase this one now. So that will show up. So that's as simple as it is. If you guys have more questions, feel free to contact me, email me, send me a text. I am glad to help you guys with these videos and show you some of the programs and the way I've done things. I'm by far not the best at this. I'm pushing my way through it and figuring a lot of this stuff out as I go along. But hopefully this video helped you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.